Welcome. So this is matter of fact a tutorial on my damper system, or shock absorber if you want to call it that, for my Ender 3, but it can also be used to other printers, and it's not only for the Ender 3, but this one is made for the Ender 3. So the whole concept was you have the feather and it's like X-ray, and I think sometimes it's hanging up and it's not really pushing quite nice back, the bed back to the right position. So I wanted to try something new, and that is I have done with PLA and a flex material. So let's take a look on it. It is in two parts, and if you look on the first thing here, it is like a shock absorber, but instead of having a feather inside, we will have a bulb outside. And this will be mounted to this that is made in a flexible material. You see here, you can push it and it really pushes back. It is printed with only 5% infill to get this, this material soft and with the right pushback. If you think you want it a little bit pushing more back, you can put, as an example, 10% in and it will be harder. So it works very simple. It's like it's at the top you have this with the biggest circle here and the small here, and this is the top. I want this to be here at the top and this in the bottom. So you get a part like this. And it works as follows. When you now push it, you can see it's really pushing back. I really need force to push it down. And this is exactly what we want for the bed. So it stays in the exact same position. So you make 3 of them. This flex material, I use Kungfu Flex Soft. It's A85. And it's a bit difficult, but I printed it on my Ender 3, and if you print it with, you'll be very careful, around 20-25 millimeters per second, then it should be okay. This I printed at 20-25 millimeters per second, and with a layer height of 0.25. So I will now take these and prepare them. Here we go. Opa. And we need the star of the show. Oh no, one last thing. On the Ender 3, you have this, the fourth spring is, matter of fact, quite a weird one. So I made it a little bit different with this bulb here with a 5mm hole in. And that would be on the side where you have the power and the bracket for the power connection on the bed. So I hope it will work, so let's see. It's quite stiff, should also be that. And let's take a look when we come so far. But let's get the star of the show here. And yeah, let me see. Ender, it's your turn. Come to daddy. Well, it's a well-trained printer, so let's upgrade it and see if the print results maybe makes a difference. So first I want to remove the filament so it's not falling off and running along with the floor. So, and then we will remove the power cord like that, and we will loosen the bed. And that's easy. Like that. So let's see if it works. You see here we have this so that the wires are not breaking apart. And for this one I needed the small one, as I have here. It needs to be there. And then we have a bit of view now. And we have this temper system. We put it there. At the same we do, whoopsie, here, put it there. Now the challenge comes to assemble the whole thing. But I'm pretty sure it will be okay somehow. Let's see how we can do it. Maybe we need to take them one by one, I guess so. This one falls out. Right. Need to put this one very loose, and this one I go over here. Here I need to press it a little bit, and that was also whoopsie. See, it becomes very stable. I think it works like it should, and my bed temperature is not above, it's not above 80 degrees, so it should be okay. So now I want to find out if I need to move my sensor, and for that I need power, and for that again I need to. You probably have to move your set and stop, because I already tried another modification that I made and it was not very successful. But and it also depends on what you use for what adhesion you use. I use this one, removable magnetic adhesion. So let me try again. Power on. And ready to rock. Prepare auto home. Oh, let's take a look. It's going down, it's going down. Yeah, that was absolutely a different result. So now I need to level the bed, and nothing is easier than that. And shrink it, as you see here. Perfect. Good. So how does it look? It looks like that now in the bottom, and you can see the pressure, and it pushes nice back. So let's try to print something. So the print is done, and first of all I take what I took here. It came out off very easily, and I have my Benchy boat here. It looks very nice, but in fact I need to look on my retraction. That's one thing. I forgot to adjust that after I did print the Flex, Kungfu Flex. But it looks very nice. Honestly, do I think this has an impact really on the print quality? No, I don't think so. But I think it will make my bed much more stable, and I not have to check it as often as I did in the past, maybe. Well, it's also nice to try out things and ideas that we get and just see if it works. I have already an idea for another damper, and maybe I pop it up again and let's take a look. But it's a nice thing. I think my bed is more stable and it's more precise, and yeah, try it out, and happy printing. Bye bye.